Thanks. Welcome back to the family. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we're going to do a how-to video, how to apply makeup with makeup products you already have. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to show you applying the makeup. So this is kind of like a how-to video without the how-to part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain everything, give you tips and hacks of what I learned throughout my makeup journey. So the first thing I usually do is I would start with my brows, my eyeshadows if I want to apply eyeshadows that day, my mascara. Reason being is because I do not want to apply my foundation first and then when I come to applying eyeshadow it's all over the place, it becomes messy. That's one of the reasons why I prefer doing my eyes first. So with the eyes, what I use, it's my 10 bucks eyebrow pencil. It doesn't matter where it comes from, what it looks like, as long as it works. So I also use a spoolie. A spoolie is simply for combing my brow hairs, brushing them up a little bit to fade the brow pencil for perfection. A concealer I use it just to highlight my brows so that they look popping and all that. So what I normally avoid is using my concealer right here on the upper side of my brows because I think it looks crazy, but I'm not gonna say anything further. So the other thing I usually use is a mascara. I use my mascara. I would Okay, I'll do a video on how to apply false lashes. I don't know. I haven't yet got the hang of the false lash, but I feel like my next videos going forth I would be having the lashes on. So let's move to the next thing. The next thing is the face. This is the most important part of your makeup, the face and the brows. So with the face, what I usually do, I apply my foundation. I use a blending sponge, and with the blending sponge, what I do is I would put some Fix Plus on my blending sponge. I would spray the Fix Plus. I would simply just spray the Fix Plus, shake it, spray it, and then blend my foundation. It makes it look flawless and it makes it last longer. The reason why I use the Fix Plus is because I'm not good at doing this. A lot of people do that, but I'm not good at it, so that's why I do that. So when you already have a foundation that's darker or lighter, so I'm going to talk about a darker foundation. When you have a darker foundation, what you do is it's either you go for an alternative, which is a powder, or a different shaded foundation. So this is my favorite foundation. Everyone should invest in a foundation that works for them. So this is my drugstore foundation and it works for me. That's what I have on. So what I do is it's a little bit darker than my skin shade. So what I do is I apply this and then I powder my face. I powder my face with this powder. It's very full coverage. So I set my entire face with the powder going along, changing the color of the foundation shade. So sometimes when I do not want to look powdery and all that, I mix a lighter shaded foundation with the foundation that I use with the darker shaded foundation, and it works perfectly. So the next step is contouring. So if you trying to learn how to contour and all that, stick foundations are perfect for you. So this is what I do. I use a dark stick foundation and that's what I use for my contouring, and it works perfectly and can't complain. So the next thing I use is my eyeshadow palette before for my this shade for my highlight, and I've used it today so that you can see how it works. It works wonderfully. No need for you to go and buy a highlighter. You can use your eyeshadow palette in the meantime. And for my lips, I've used the same eyebrow pencil I've contoured my lips or lined my lips with it, fully covered it with this, and then what I used next, I used a nude lipstick, and voila, this is the look. So thank you so much, my darlings, for tuning in. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe down below. I would see you in my next one. I love you. I love you. Bye.